What is hair oiling? I have greasy hair. Is that hair oiling? I put oil on at the end of my routine. Is that hair oiling? Well, if you're on TikTok, you've probably seen all the girlies oiling their hair recently. But what actually is it? What are they doing? Hair oiling is actually an Ayurvedic tradition, and it has gained popularity on TikTok more recently. It involves applying an oil or an oil blend to your scalp and your length, and then letting it sit on for a few minutes or sometimes like up to overnight, and then washing and shampooing it out. So it's like what you do before you get in the shower, before you shampoo. Depending on what oil you use and the method you use, it can help with like dry scalp, hair damage, and of course, hair growth. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Barbie. I'm a professional curly hair coach, and I have transformed thousands, hundreds of thousands of people's curly hair through videos just like this, one-to-one curly hair coaching, and of course Curls Monthly, which is my curly hair subscription service where we actually send customers 5 curly hair products to try at their doorstep every month, starting at just $28. It's really cool. There's also one-to-one curl help on there. So like literally included in your $28 a month membership, you can talk to somebody about your hair, ask questions, send photos. Transforming curls is truly my passion, so I'd love to help you with yours. I'll drop that link below. Now, there's definitely a right way to oil your hair, and there's definitely a wrong way to oil your hair. So let's go over some do's and don'ts of oiling your hair. Don't use too much oil. When there's too much oil, it's really hard for the oil to rinse out completely, and it leaves your hair greasy and limp, and it can actually also clog your pores, which then causes hair loss. Do use about 2 dropperfuls, and I say about because it depends on the size of the dropper, and it also depends on the length of your hair and the density of your hair, but about 2 is probably about right. Don't skip a scalp massage. Just pouring the oil on your scalp does absolutely nothing. Use the pads of your fingers to massage it into your scalp. You need to work it into your pores instead of just keeping it on the top. So do massage it in gently. It not only boosts the effectiveness of the actual oil entering your pores, but it also increases blood flow, which increases hair density and hair growth. You want to use the pads of your fingers, not your nails. You're not like scratching your head, just the pads of your fingers in nice circular motions to help boost that circulation, penetrate the hair, and stimulate the follicles without irritating your scalp. Don't leave it on your hair for too long. While leaving oil on your hair forever and ever and ever may seem beneficial, it can just eventually clog your pores. So overnight is only okay if the bottle says that you can use it overnight, because some oils are formulated for that and some oils are not. Do listen to what the instructions say. Don't oil every day. Daily oiling will suffocate your scalp, create buildup, and can actually then slow down hair growth. So do the opposite of what you want. Do use it up to twice a week. This can keep your scalp balanced without overwhelming it. Personally, I probably oil my hair more like once or twice a month, but that's just really due to time. Don't shampoo once. One wash is not enough in general for your hair, but especially when you have all this excess oil in it, you want to make sure that you are lather, rinsing, and repeating. So do shampoo twice. I always recommend shampooing twice anyway, but when I use oils, I actually have to shampoo 3 times sometimes. And I usually use, when I use an oil pre-poo treatment, I usually use a clarifying shampoo with sulfates in it, because that's how much I do not want that to weigh down my hair and not cause any volume. Like, it's so beneficial, but if you don't get it out of your hair, it's not gonna be good for you. I'm so excited because probably my favorite oil at the moment is inside of Curls Monthly. This is my favorite pre-poo treatment shampoo oil. I use it a lot. I use it on my Abby Young method video. If you liked that one, it's that same oil. It's the best. Fable and Maine HoliRoots hair oil. It is so good. And it's actually an award-winning product, and it just entered the Curls Monthly product vault, so I am so excited about it. This is a lightweight pre-wash hair and scalp oil. It has a million benefits. Promotes just overall healthier hair. It's a very lightweight oil, so it's formulated for all hair types. Strengthens your roots and your strands to help prevent breakage, so it will just strengthen it before the breakage happens. Stimulates that scalp circulation for healthier hair, and it's just weightless hair and scalp hydration. Like, it just makes your hair feel and look so good. So some ingredients that it contains, one of which is amla oil, which is so good for your scalp. Actually an antioxidant rich Indian berry, and it just naturally conditions and just adds shine to your hair. It also contains a blend of Ayurvedic root extracts, which helps soothe your scalp. And it contains ashwagandha, which is like such a popular ingredient right now. Ashwagandha is low-key really great for your stress when you put it inside of your body, like with pills, but it's also great for your hair. It actually strengthens your hair follicles. And castor oil helps thicken your hair, helps with damaged strands, and dashmal, which also helps calm your scalp. So this is to be used as a pre-wash treatment. It's not necessarily a scrunching out the crunch oil. So I like to section my hair, and I take a dropper into the palm of my hand. I just massage it into that section. So I like split my hair into 3 sections and then just apply it section by section. For best results, they actually recommend using the HoliRoots hair oil only on the scalp, but I use it on my hands literally all the time and I love it, but don't listen to me, I guess. Leave it on for a minimum of 5 minutes or overnight for best results. So they give you the okay to leave it on overnight. Definitely rinse thoroughly before cleansing, rinse it out thoroughly with your shampoo, and continue on with the rest of your curly hair routine. You can use this one up to twice a week. It's so good. It's an absolute favorite. It's an honor that it's inside of Curls Monthly in January 2026. So definitely get it if you are already subscribed. If you're not subscribed, I'll drop that link below. But there you have it. There are the do's and don'ts of hair oiling. If you're looking for a pre-poo hair oil, the Fable and Mane HoliRoots hair oil is a fave. I mean, I don't know if you can see, but this thing is like almost empty. Like I use it all the time. So drop your hair oiling questions in the comments, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.